If you need to cancel a pending transfer from Ramsey National Bank, follow these simple steps to ensure the process is completed smoothly. Step 1. Log into your account. Access your Ramsey National Bank account by visiting their official website or using the mobile app. Enter your login credentials to gain access to your account dashboard. Step 2. Navigate to transfers. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROP to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 3. Find a pending transfer. In the transfers section, look for the specific transfer you wish to cancel. Pending transfers are usually marked clearly, so identify the correct transaction. Step 4. Select the transfer. Click on the pending transfer to view its details. This will provide you with options related to that specific transfer, including the option to cancel it. Step 5. Confirm cancellation. Choose the option to cancel the transfer and follow any prompts to confirm your decision. Make sure to read any notifications regarding the cancellation to understand any potential impacts. After completing these steps, your pending transfer should be successfully cancelled. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Ramsey National Bank's customer service for further assistance.